So Diana, I think this takes a 30-second video. So here's my downstairs. It's between 1/4 and 1/2 inch of water. And see by my finger, almost my whole fingernail depth. And down the hallway, a bit in here. Can't really see. Oh yeah, oh crap. Oh my God. Oh, and slightly into this bedroom. I came in and closed the windows. So here's what's odd. This bedroom is on the east side of the house. I don't let anybody stay in here because we've had mold issues in here. And apparently the floor is uneven. I'm guessing, how did the water get in here? I'm guessing it came from the wall. It came in at the opposite side of the house. So this being flooded isn't making any sense to me. But here it is. That's a cookie frog. That's a dead cookie frog. Oh boy. Okay.